Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to automatically move and mute inactive server members after 1 hour in Discord. This simple setting helps keep your server tidy, active, and organized without needing to manually manage members who go idle. Let's get started. First, open Discord on your desktop or mobile device and make sure you're logged into the server you want to adjust. Once you're inside your server, tap the server's name right at the top of the screen. This will open a quick menu filled with useful options related to your server's management. Next, select Settings. This is where you'll find all the tools to personalize your community, from roles and moderation to channels and member management. Inside the Settings menu, scroll until you find the option labeled Overview. Go ahead and tap on it. In the Overview section, look for the setting called Inactive Channel. This is where you'll decide which voice channel members are automatically moved to when they become inactive. Tap on it and pick a channel from your list. Make sure you choose a voice channel that's quiet or dedicated just for AFK members so it doesn't disrupt ongoing conversations. Once you've set your inactive channel, it's time to choose how long it takes before Discord moves someone there. Tap on Inactive Timeout. You'll see several time options appear. Select 1 hour. This means any member who stays idle for an hour will automatically be moved to your chosen inactive channel and temporarily muted. That's it. You've now set up an automatic system that keeps your Discord server organized by moving inactive members after 1